In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ConvertKit with ManyChat. This integration is an excellent way to streamline your communication and enhance your customer engagement strategies across both platforms. Let's get started. First, we're going to head over to the Kit platform. Simply navigate to your dashboard by typing the appropriate web address into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you should see a variety of options available on your screen. Next, click on your profile. This is usually represented by your account photo or icon at the top of the page. Clicking here will allow you to access more detailed settings pertaining to your account, which is where we need to go to proceed with this integration. Now go ahead and click on the settings option. This will bring up a new page with a comprehensive list of adjustable preferences and configurations. At this point, keep an eye out for the developer section. It should be somewhere in the middle or lower down on this settings list. Once you click developer, you'll immediately have access to your API key. It's important to note that this key is a sensitive piece of information used to authorize your applications to communicate with ConvertKit. Be sure to keep it secure. Alongside your API key, you'll also find your API secret. Much like your API key, this secret is a crucial part of your account's security settings. It acts as a password that allows many of the features you're about to enable through this integration. After you've located both your API key and API secret, make sure to copy your API secret key. You may want to paste it temporarily into a secure document where you can easily retrieve it for the next few steps. Our next move is heading over to ManyChat. If you're not already familiar with it, ManyChat is a great tool for automating Facebook Messenger marketing. Once you're on your ManyChat dashboard, it's time to venture into its settings. Click on the settings option from your ManyChat dashboard. Just like before, this will direct you to a menu of various options. What we're looking for now is the integrations option from this menu. Now locate and click on the API secret section. Here's where you'll need that API secret key you copied earlier. Paste your API secret key in the designated field on this page. This simple step will ensure that ConvertKit can securely link to ManyChat. Finally, click on the option to connect your Kit account. This step will finalize the integration process. As the systems connect, you'll see confirmation that the link has been successfully made. And there you have it, a seamless link between ConvertKit and ManyChat. With this integration, you're set up to take full advantage of both platforms' powerful communication tools. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your digital marketing efforts. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.